Now we'll see the biology of indigenous and exotic carps. Now we'll see the indigenous carps. A knowledge of relative growth, maturation and fecundity of fishes is necessary before planning fish culture. Growth of fish depends on the population density and availability of food. The attainment of sexual maturity also depends on the abundance of food and duration of feeding. Besides these, temperature, photo period, and several other factors that influence maturation of gonads. Fecundity that refers to the number of eggs contained in the ovary. In several fishes, fecundity increases with age, length, availability of food. Now we'll see the Indian major carps, that is a Katla katla. This species has the fastest rate of growth among the Indian major carps. In a good nursery pond, hatchlings of the Katla that have been stocked at the rate of 10 lakhs to 12 lakhs 50,000 per hectare that grow to a length up to the 20 to 25 millimeter in 15 days. The study that have been done by the Jhingran, according to his study, there is the fingerlings that have been reach a size of 38 to 46 centimeters in the first year in normally stocked ponds. If understocked, a growth of 51 centimeter can be expected in the first year. The another study that has been done by the Hora and Pillai in 1962. According to their study, the Katla that have been grows to 38 to 45 centimeter. That is the weight, it is 900 grams. At the end of the first year, 4 to 5 kilogram by the end of the second year, and 6 to 7 kilogram by the end of third year. The study that have been done in the river Ganga at Allahabad, that shows the growth rate of 354 in first year, 2 kilograms in a second year, and 6 to 7 kilogram in the third year, and that is 10 kilogram of the fourth year. So here we can see the Katla, it attains the maturity when about 2 years old. We'll see the 5 kilogram female, a total number of 4 lakh ova that have been found, which gives the fecundity to be 80 egg per gram body weight. So here we'll see the figures that have been studied by the Jhingran in 1966. The fecundity of different specimen, we can see the table. In that table, it is a total length of fish, weight, then weight of ovary, then number of ova, and the number of ova per gram body weight of the body and ovary. So with the help of this, we can understand what is the process of the attainment of the maturity. Then we'll see the another Libio rohu. It is commonly called as the rohu. The rohu, it also grows very fast, but in a relatively a little slower than the Katla. The hatchlings of the rohu when stocked at the rate of 10 lakhs to 12 lakh 50,000 per hectare, grow to a length of 25 to 30 millimeter in 15 days, and the survival rate is 50%. According to the HORA, that is the study that have been done in 1962. He have been studied that is the rohu that grows to a length of 33 to 45 centimeters. The 900 gram weight in 1 year, 2 to 3 kilogram in the second year, and 5.4 kilogram by the third year. I will repeat, 5.4 kilogram by the third year. This species that attains sexual maturity when about 2 years old, but a specimen from induced breed stock that have been also observed to become mature in 1 year. The absolute frequency specimen of rohu that have been ranging from 51 to 75 centimeter. That is the weight, it is a 1.5 to 7.6 kilogram weight. That was found to vary from 2,25,600 to 27,94,000 eggs. The average number of OHA per gram of body weight was found to be 271, and the number of eggs per gram of ovary was 1,258. Then the another species that is a Labio colbosu. The Labio colbosu is a widely distributed carp and grows to fairly large size, but its rate of growth is slower than that of the Katla and Ruhu. Colbosu grows to a length of 30 to 35 centimeters and a weight of 450 gram by the end of first year. The fish becomes sexually mature when about 25 centimeter long, and induced bred specimen that have been observed to reach maturity in 1 year. Available for colbosu that shows a female weighing 500 gram, that is 34 centimeter, that have been found the 2,19,450 OHA. The average that is being 438 eggs per gram body weight, and 1,463 per gram body weight, and 1,463 per gram ovary weight. The study that have been done by the Khan in 1934, he have been found that the ripe female that weighing about 2 kilogram, that is 7,39,400 eggs were present, which worth about 400 eggs per body weight. Then another, the animal that is Labiorohita, that is Labiobata. Another species that is Labiobata. It is a medium sized carp, and it attains a length of 60 centimeter. It is widely distributed in India and often cultured with the major carps. When stocked at the rate of 1 to 1.5 lakhs per hectare to 32 millimeter in 1 month. The fingerlings stocked at the rate of 2,500 to 3,750 per hectare attain a length of 22.5 centimeter in 9.5 months. The study that have been done by the Alcuni in 1956, the specimen of 9 to 10 months olds that become sexually mature. The another study of Alcuni that have been done in 1956 that have been found a total number of 3 lakhs eggs in a specimen weighing 1050 gram, giving an average of 286 eggs per gram body weight. The another study that have been done by the Bhatnagar in 1967, he have been found that it is a specimen from Bakra reservoir. The total fecundity was 3,01,961 to 5,76,051 eggs, and the weight it is 1.38 to 1.78 kilogram. The another major carp that is we call it as Suriname regala. The Suriname regala is the species. It is widely cultured in India along with the other carps. It grows fast and fry the frame stocked at 10 lakhs to 12.5 lakhs per hectare, grow to 25 to 30 millimeter in length in 15 days. The fingerlings are reported to grow to a length of 55 to 65 centimeter, and weight it is 1.2 to 2.2 kilogram in 1 year. The study that have been done by the Hora and Pillai, according to their study in 1962, mrigal grows to a length of that is 1.8 kilogram, 2.6 kilogram, and 4 kilogram respectively by the end of first, second, and third years. The study that have been done by the Menon and the others 1959 that have been reported the mrigal that grows to a length of 58 centimeter, then 72 centimeter and 78 centimeter respectively by the end of first, second, and third years. The another study that have been done by the Menon and 1959, they have been reported that the mrigal grows to a length of 58 centimeter, 72 centimeter, and 17 centimeter in the first, second, and third years respectively. Here we can see that both sexes that have been matured when they are 2 years old. However, the induced breed specimen of the Central Fisheries Research Institute, Cuttack, that have been become immature in 1 year only. So here we can see there is a ripe female which having 1.47 kilogram, a total number of 8,000 eggs were found. The study that have been done by the Khan in 1934, giving an average of 147 eggs per gram body weight. So the reports from ponds in Cuttack that shows the fecundity of mrigal, it should be 1.44 to 1.52 lakhs eggs per kilogram of body weight. So in the mrigal of Yamuna that have been studied, that shows the fecundity that have been found to vary from 800 to 1,800 eggs per gram of ovary weight in a specimen that ranging from 2.5 kilogram to 7.5 in weight. Thank you.